Before the six-plumed bird of paradise can dance, his stage must be spotless. A last-minute polish of the viewing platform, a few final eye-catching decorations, and he's ready. Choosy females will watch a variety of displays before deciding on a mate, so his performance really needs to entertain. When a female finally drops in, he pulls out all the stops.
It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. But when I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not unusual to see me cry. I wanna die.
He adds a flash of his iridescent bow tie to the fancy footwork. The sequin-like sparkle of these plumes is created by uniquely shaped feather filaments. With sharp edges instead of curves, they reflect light in precise directions, creating dynamic color changes, something that females are very fond of. It looks like he's built up quite an audience.